Alright, good morning. We are in Atlanta today, and we're gonna hang out at different places.
Read a non-fiction book. It says each activity has to be 20 minutes.
Ready to go to the mall? Josh. Pasta bowl.
I don't want pizza. We're gonna have cake tomorrow or tonight later.
Alright, we are at the mall.
Friends and they all come to about right here. Well, I have friends, so it's about my side. I love it.
Oh my.
All of 3 of them.
We have all. Yep. They're okay.
Are we on a mission for a North Carolina?
2.
Green.
Blue. Blue.
We had a good day at the mall. And